So we've got the X-Chocks in, we've got our side to side, our front to back. Now for us, what we like to do is we like to hook up our water and our sewer. So when we pull out the slide, we're not having to set up all of that underneath of it. So we're gonna quick set up the water and the sewer, and then we'll go to the next step.
Ah, yes, the glamorous life of RV travel. Time to hook up the sewer. They don't put this in the brochure, but here we are, twisting hoses, double-checking seals, and silently hoping today isn't the day for a surprise poop shower. Adventure, right?
Never thought I'd be doing an elbow video, but here we go. You gotta put an elbow on it.